Bag number 3. Bag number 1. Bag number 2. There is 3 instructions. Number 2. Number 1. Number 1. And this is not this. We need it. We need it. We don't have to open up in the video. And you know, guys, we have so much fun making YouTube videos. We have so much fun. Like, soon we're going to be doing Lego and Star Wars Lego. That will be amazing. Section 1. We're building the Elise Lego set. It has the Elise helicopter and a car and a little thing and a snake on a motorbike. And let's get this started. Okay. Please like my videos. So here is what I did. So here's all of the ones I did, and you know he has cuts on the back.
Who's that?
Snake.
Snake.
And I don't know who she is.
I think she's just the police officer. Okay.
This bag and we're going to do a new bag, and here it is. And you can see a snake on his motorbike and the lace on them, and you can see snake on his motorbike and the lace person on, and the lace girl on her one. Let's get back to the video after we open this next handbag. I'll show you on the box. Building that rubber car.
Oh, nice.
And it'll be cool when we finish it. And I'm trying to concentrate. And we're up to number 3, and that was talking for, and this comes with a magnet, and see, it can take off with the car. And that's pretty cool. Let's get it started. Yeah, it is. So here is all we done. And he's the real sergeant. And you put his mask up. And you can put his mask down. And let's get back to the video. So here is the helicopter. Here is the helicopter. Ta-da! We're not finished yet, but we're almost.
Show us how it works.
So it goes up, and Mum, I'm supposed to have one arm on.
One arm on the bike.
Yeah.
Let me.
And he goes, and now how about, and then it do this.
You did so well, bud. You did it all on your own.
They went off into full landing. And then it goes in full landing. It's a big video, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Delicious. Oh.